Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a lip gloss making video and I hope you guys can hear me. If not, I'm sorry. I might have to do a voiceover. But anyways, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and let's get started. So today I'll be making my Feeling Peachy lip gloss. So it's of course a peach flavored lip gloss and it kind of has like a peach color, of course, and I'm really excited to show you guys. And this time I'm going to be using grapeseed oil and castor oil. Before I didn't, but let's get right into this video. First thing I'm gonna go in with is the lip gloss base, Versagel. As y'all can see, as y'all can tell, I be squeezing the heck out of this. And this is a different angle because I don't know, my ring light was just acting really dumb, so this was the best angle that I could get. But yeah, I'm gonna add more in here. I'm gonna make a lot because I'm having a Black Friday sale very soon, of course. And I just want to be prepared. So I'm going to add a little bit more. All right, that's good. Ooh. I get this oil off of Amazon. This is my castor oil. So I'm adding this first because it is a pretty thick oil, but it does, I believe it does add more shine to your gloss. But yeah, there, and then, and then now I'm gonna mix it with my spoon, of course. And honestly, it really makes your gloss smooth. I swear, castor oil has so many benefits when it comes to hair, your skin. Just, it moisturizes everything, literally. Yeah. So yeah, it makes your gloss very smooth, and honestly, I think it adds more shine to it too. Ooh. So right now the gloss is very smooth, and then now I'm going to add grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil makes it very moisturizing. So as y'all can tell, I did add a really good amount of oil because I am adding two different types of pigments, and then I'm adding a glitter. So that can actually thicken your lip gloss a little bit, so I just want to be on the safe side. And then after I put the pigment, I always add my flavor. My mixed peach is from TKB Trading, and it's a mica pigment. So of course I need to add more because this is a lot of gloss. But yeah. Yeah. Well, at least the lady sees that she's happy. Okay. And then you're gonna want to add a little bit of Sparkle Rose, just a tiny bit, okay? Just to add a little spunk to it, I guess you could say. No, I'm taking my vacation for Thanksgiving. It's next week? Yeah. All right. It's right here. What is it? Oh yeah. It's an hour and 22 though. I can watch some of it. What is it? Dinosaur. Oh. I remember when that first came out. When we went to McDonald's. And they
favorite movie?
Yeah, you know I was 3.
Yeah, about 3.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, and then that's when I am done with the glitter and the pigments. Mix, 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 mix. Now I'm going to add the peach flavoring. Yay! And then now here's my brand new syringe with the pipette connected. Take that out. Uh-huh.
It's been a long time since you feeling alive. You ain't coming out yourself. You ain't really been yourself. Tell me what this I do.